Home remodeling is a complex process, and experienced professionals take several critical steps before starting any job. Here's a breakdown of 10 key actions they typically take. 1. Thorough client consultation. Experts begin by understanding the client's vision, needs, and budget. This involves detailed discussions, asking clarifying questions, and actively listening to ensure alignment. 2. Detailed project planning. They create comprehensive project plans, including timelines, material lists, and task breakdowns. This ensures a structured and organized approach. 3. Budget development and review. Professionals develop a realistic budget, accounting for materials, labor, permits, and potential unforeseen expenses. They review this with the client to ensure transparency and agreement. 4. Securing necessary permits. They handle the process of obtaining all required permits from local authorities. This ensures compliance with building codes and regulations. 5. Site assessment and inspection. They conduct a thorough on-site assessment to evaluate the existing structure, identify potential issues, and determine the feasibility of the project. 6. Detailed design and blueprint creation. For significant remodels, they create detailed blueprints or design plans. This ensures accurate execution and minimizes errors. 7. Material procurement. They source and order the necessary materials, ensuring timely delivery and quality control. This may include getting client approval on material choices. 8. Subcontractor coordination. If needed, they coordinate with subcontractors, plumbers, electricians, etc., to schedule their work and ensure seamless integration. 9. Safety planning. They develop a safety plan to protect workers and the client's property during the remodeling process. This includes setting up safety measures and protocols. 10. Client communication and agreement. They establish clear communication channels and obtain written agreements from the client, outlining the scope of work, payment terms, and project timeline. This helps to avoid future misunderstandings. By following these steps, home remodeling experts ensure a smooth, efficient, and successful project.
And thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, let us know by hitting the thumbs up button or letting us know in the comment area.